In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize the tipping options on your Fresha dashboard. Whether you're looking to offer your clients more flexibility or just streamline the checkout process, configuring your tipping system can make a significant difference. So let's get started and walk through this process together. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Fresha dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a row of icons. You're going to want to click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. This is your gateway to tweaking how various aspects of your system function, including those all-important tipping options. Now, once you're in the settings menu, take a moment to look through the different categories available. What you're looking for is the sales section. It might not be immediately obvious since the settings cover a broad range of functionalities, but once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This is where you get to manage everything related to your sales transactions and customer interactions. In the sales section, you'll see a series of options running along the left-hand side. Locate and click on the tipping option. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a screen that shows you the current tipping settings in place. For many, the default values might be satisfactory, but if you're interested in offering more tailored percentages tailored to your clientele, keep following along. You will find an Edit button in the Tipping Options section. Give that a click. Here, you're able to view and modify the default tip values that your clients might see during their transactions. But let's say you want to add a new, specific percentage that matches the preferences or customs of your clients more closely. To do this, simply locate and click the Add a Value button. A field will appear where you can input your desired percentage. Consider what will best serve your business and your customers. Once you've decided, just type in the new percentage value you wish to make available. After adding the percentage, you'll need to ensure everything is saved to prevent any loss of your newly configured settings. To do this, look towards the top of the screen and find the Save button. Clicking Save will lock in the changes you've just made, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully customized the tipping options on your Fresha dashboard, making it easier for your clients to show their appreciation in a way that suits your business setup. It's a small change, but one that can enhance the customer experience significantly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Feel free to drop any questions or comments you have below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.